everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 27 power x plus 2 is equals to 9 power 2x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 27 we can write it as 3 cube whole power x plus 2 is equals to 9, we can write it as 3 square whole power 2x. Now exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So I'm going to use this rule here. So 3 power 3 times x plus 2 is equals to 3 power 2 times 2x. Now 3 power 3x plus 6 is equals to 3 power 4x. Now if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 3x plus 6 is equals to 4x. 6 is equals to 4x minus 3x. 6 is equals to x. The value of x is 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.